Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready, because today we're diving into something huge. OpenAI just dropped its latest update, and it's a game changer. We're talking about ChatGPT 5.1. If you thought previous versions were impressive, this new model is going to blow you away. It's faster, smarter, and brings a level of natural interaction that feels closer to human conversation than ever before. So what's actually new? Let's break it down. First off, the core improvements in ChatGPT 5.1 are massive. OpenAI has focused on 4 key areas: adaptive reasoning, a more human conversational style, stronger instruction following, and something really cool called personality presets. We'll get into all of these in detail, but the big takeaway here is that this isn't just a minor tweak. It's a fundamental leap forward in how we interact with AI. The conversations feel less like you're talking to a machine and more like you're collaborating with a highly intelligent assistant. The model understands nuance better, picks up on subtle cues in your prompts, and delivers responses that are not just accurate, but genuinely helpful and context-aware. Let's talk about adaptive reasoning. This is probably the most significant feature of the 5.1 update. OpenAI has introduced 2 distinct operational modes: instant and thinking. Think of instant mode as your go-to for everyday questions and quick tasks. Need a fast recipe, a quick definition, or a snappy email draft? Instant mode provides near immediate responses, optimized for speed and efficiency. It's perfect for those moments when you just need a quick answer without any delay. But what if you're tackling something more complex? That's where thinking mode comes in. When you present ChatGPT 5.1 with a difficult problem, like debugging a complex piece of code, brainstorming a business strategy, or analyzing a dense research paper, it automatically shifts into this deeper mode. In thinking mode, the model allocates more computational resources to your request. It takes more time to process, analyze, and construct a response, but the result is a level of depth and insight that we haven't seen before. It's like the AI is literally taking a moment to think it over. This dual-mode system means the model adapts to the difficulty of your question, giving you the best of both worlds. Lightning-fast answers for simple tasks and deep, thoughtful reasoning for advanced ones. It's a smarter way to work, saving you time on the small stuff and providing powerful support for the big stuff. Now, let's explore that more human conversational style I mentioned. This is something you'll feel immediately when you start using ChatGPT 5.1. The flow of conversation is incredibly smooth. The AI is better at remembering context from earlier in the chat, leading to more coherent and continuous dialogues. It's less likely to repeat itself or lose track of what you were discussing. The language it uses is more natural, with better use of tone and expressions that make the interaction feel less robotic. It can even pick up on your own conversational style and adapt to it. If you're being informal, it will be informal back. If you're professional, it will maintain a professional tone. This makes the experience much more engaging and intuitive. It feels less like you were carefully crafting prompts and more like you were just having a conversation. Next up is stronger instruction following. This has been a major focus for OpenAI, and the improvements are clear. With previous models, you might have had to rephrase your instructions a few times to get exactly what you wanted. Sometimes the AI would miss a constraint or overlook a specific detail in your prompt. ChatGPT 5.1 is far more reliable. It's incredibly good at adhering to complex multi-step instructions. You can give it a list of requirements for a piece of writing, like write a 500-word blog post in a witty tone, include 3 specific keywords, and end with a call to action, and it will nail every single one. This precision makes it a much more powerful tool for professionals who rely on AI for specific detailed work. You can trust it to follow your directions to the letter, which saves a ton of time on editing and revisions. And now for one of the most exciting new features: personality presets. This is a brand new addition that allows you to customize the AI's persona. Instead of just a default neutral ChatGPT, you can now choose from a range of presets. There might be a creative muse preset for brainstorming and artistic projects, a professional analyst for data-driven tasks, a Socratic tutor for learning and explanation, or even a friendly companion for casual conversation. These presets go beyond just changing the tone. They influence the model's reasoning process and the kind of information it prioritizes. For example, the creative muse might generate more imaginative and out-of-the-box ideas, while the professional analyst will focus on logic, data, and concise reporting. This level of customization means you can tailor the AI to fit the specific task at hand, making it a more versatile and personalized tool than ever before. It's a powerful way to get the exact kind of output you need every single time. So, how do these improvements translate to real-world tasks? The impact is huge across the board. For developers, ChatGPT 5.1 produces cleaner, more efficient, and better documented code. Its debugging capabilities are phenomenal, often spotting subtle errors that would take a human hours to find. For writers and marketers, it generates more polished and coherent text. The writing requires less editing, the tone is more consistent, and the creative suggestions are more inspiring. If you're a student or researcher, you'll love the improved explanations. It can break down complex topics into simple, easy-to-understand concepts and provide more accurate and well-sourced information. For anyone using AI for creative content generation, whether it's scripts, stories, or social media posts, the results are more consistent, original, and aligned with your vision. Essentially, whatever you used ChatGPT for before, you'll be able to do it better and faster with version 5.1. The quality of the output is just on another level. Now let's talk about the rollout. As with previous major updates, OpenAI is rolling out ChatGPT 5.1 in phases. Paid users, those with ChatGPT Plus, Team, or Enterprise subscriptions, will be the first to get access. This allows OpenAI to manage server load and gather feedback from their most engaged users. If you're a paid subscriber, you should see the option to switch to the 5.1 model in your dashboard very soon, if you haven't already. For free users, don't worry, you haven't been forgotten. Access will be extended to free users in the coming weeks and months as OpenAI scales up its infrastructure. During this transition, older models like GPT-4 will remain available, so you can still use the version you're familiar with while you wait. This phased approach ensures a smooth and stable rollout for everyone. So what's the final verdict? Is ChatGPT 5.1 just another incremental update? Absolutely not. This feels like a major milestone. The combination of adaptive reasoning, a more human-like conversational ability, and precise instruction following makes this version of ChatGPT feel fundamentally different. It's smoother, more intuitive, and far more powerful. If you've used older models, you will immediately notice the improvements in tone, accuracy, and reasoning. The AI feels less like a tool you have to carefully operate, and more like a true partner that understands your goals. The introduction of instant and thinking modes is a brilliant solution to the trade-off between speed and depth. The improved conversational style makes every interaction more pleasant and productive, and the stronger instruction following makes it an indispensable asset for any professional. Overall, ChatGPT 5.1 isn't just an upgrade, it's a redefinition of what we can expect from a conversational AI. It makes everyday use easier while unlocking new possibilities for complex and creative work. It's a more refined, more capable, and frankly, more human-like version of ChatGPT. That's our deep dive into the new ChatGPT 5.1. I'm incredibly excited to see what people create with this powerful new tool. Have you had a chance to try it yet? What are your first impressions? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the latest in AI and tech. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.